Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. We have got a lovely Fortana Red Caravelle for you today. A late 2020 registration on the 70 plate. It's the top of the range executive model with the bi-turbo engine. It's a 199 PS. Pretty much the best there is in these. Say Fortana Red, lovely colour. Lends itself really well to our styling goodies. As you can see, it's got the lower front spoiler on it. Gloss black pack with matte contrast badge. It has done 25,000 miles, so there's the odd little chip that's been touched in on the front here. Nothing out of the way at all. We just like to show you so that you see exactly what you're getting. It has been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. And it's got the side bars and roof rails too, with a set of crossbars fitted. So quite useful if you've got a paddleboard, kayak or anything else that you want to get on the roof. This one's got the smoked side repeaters as well, just fits in nicely with the gloss black pack. Privacy tints on the windows too. Now you'll notice this one has got quite a rare feature for a Caravelle, which is these. The opening side windows. Didn't come standard, not often spec'd. Just quite nice if you need a bit of fresh air in the back there. The other main factory option on this one is it's got the bi-colour Napa leather throughout. So grey centres, black surround, all in good order. Now whilst we're here, it's worth showing you this service history. So you can see here that it's had its 20,000 mile service and a recent MPC. The Volkswagen dealer. What's probably more of interest though is that it's got this here service plan until March 25 on it, and also got the roadside assistance and extended warranty too until early 2024, which is quite nice. Being an executive model, huge spec as standard. So it does have the Discover Media navigation with Apple CarPlay. Park assist with park sensors and twin electric sliding doors. Dual zone climate in the front and heated front seats too. Now as we move into the back, the click of the door gets you in. It's got the standard Caravelle setup with the triple bench seat at the back and then the two swivelling captain's chairs in the second row. We've also got the table there too. All in the rail system, so it can be moved about to suit. And in the rear, you've got the rear climate control system, just so you can get some real cold air through to the back as well on those hot days. Now looking down the lines of the vehicle, we are totally dent free down there. Lovely even finish to the paint. Just go over every panel as normal. It's worth noting that the wheels and tyres are brand spanking new. We put those on. It's had the Caravelle badging removed at the rear, just to give it that nice clean look, and our MASV badging to finish it off. It's got a protection strip on the back there just to save getting any marks on the rear bumper, and has also got a detachable towbar fitted. One tiny little mark that's just been touched in there on the rear bumper. Again, totally dent free down the driver's side. See, this one's also got mud flaps fitted too, and looks absolutely stunning out in the sun. Mileage just over 25,000 miles. A couple other bits to note on spec. It has got adaptive cruise control and a heated front screen with the lines running through it, so really quick to clear on those frosty mornings. So that's pretty much it. Now you'll see the full advert along with 20 plus photos on our website at martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can offer business or personal finance facilities. Please just get in touch with us and be happy to talk you through those. And thanks very much for watching the video.